Hey, little grossy guy. You wanna fuck around? Huh? You wanna get some?
Let's go. Let's go. Me and you, motherfucker. Me and you. What? Oh, too fast for you. What about the crazy ass? You want some mints? You got nothing.
This bird's on drugs. He wants to scrap people.
What?
Give him a fist. Oh yeah.
Ah, he bit me! What you gonna do?
This thing's fucking trippy, yo. He just wants to fuck some shit.
He's like, this is my trail, bitch.
Hey, you.
Lucky I don't cook your ass. You
Hey,
make
you.
a good fucking meal. Jared, should we just take his fucking head right now? Take him home and cook him?
Hey! Wah! Wah! Come on! Wah! Wah!
Want some of that shit?
Why? You want some of that? Wah! Go! Are you fighting chicken?
He's giving you the bitch slap. He got her.
Get out of here! You're crazy, motherfucker! Trying to fight something 3 times size.
What's wrong with his head? He's got some shit coming out of his head.
I don't know, he's fucked.
Yeah, man. He's got like a tumor or something. What's coming into your head, man? Yeah, he's got some shit wrong with his dome.
He's got brain damage.
Come on, pick him up.
Clay chased a bird.
Look at his head. You're a funny motherfucker.
Yeah. You speak to the mic. Speak. 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 Speak.
This guy's cool. Okay, go. Fuck